Hey guys, so Motorola is very busy with its smartphone launches in the Indian market. The company recently launched Moto G62 and Moto G32 smartphones in India. And now the brand is getting up to launch a new tablet in the country that will be called Moto Tab G62. The tablet will make its debut on August 17. And now the tablet has appeared on Geekbench revealing its key specs. The Tab G62 bears XT2261-2 model number. It is powered by a Qualcomm octa-core processor with 2.4 GHz frequency. The processor is paired with Adreno 610 GPU. This is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 SoC. It's a 4G only SoC and it is based on 6nm node. Hence, it will be very power efficient. The device scored 311 points in single-core test and 1304 points in multi-core test. In the Geekbench listing, the tablet has 4GB of RAM and it runs on Android 12. As for its design and other specifications, the tablet will have premium build quality and will be made of metal. It features quad speaker system with Dolby Atmos, a single camera at the back and fortunately a 3.5mm audio jack. The Tab G62 will come with a 10.6-inch IPS LCD display with 2K resolution. The display is surrounded by noticeable bezels with a single selfie camera placed within the right bezel. It will be offered in Wi-Fi only and 4G LTE versions. This Slate will get its juice from a 7700 mAh battery with 20W fast charging speed. The battery might take around 2 hours to fully charge, but the battery life should be very good as the Snapdragon 680 is a very power efficient SoC. The device will offer special features like Google Kids Space and Entertainment Space, special reading mode, support for multiple accounts and stylus support. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.